say everybody's name, that you are right, or Rishikesh is right, or Prerna is right, or Vaide is right, or Dheer is right. So if my answer is correct and if you have answered the same, just consider that your answer is also correct. Okay.
सबको समझ में आ रहा है प्रभु जी जो बोल रहे हैं?
Okay, great. So almost all are saying yes. So I will go ahead in English itself. If you have any question, then I will say the same thing in Hindi as well. So do let me know if you want to understand any word or any line. Okay.
ओके. Yes, प्रभु जी. Now we can start.
Okay, great. So Hare Krishna to all the children. Okay. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. Perfect. All right. Can we go to the first slide and go into the this mode, the presentation mode, please? Okay, great. So we will start. Thank you so much, Praneshwari Mataji and Prabhuji, for giving this opportunity to serve all these small bachas, all these small children from Ujjain. Um, so we will start with our
Thanks to
prayers.
you, Prabhu ji, to
Thank
give
you,
you
thank you,
such a
Mataji.
precious time. And one more thing, today's our speaker is His Grace Gopal Lila Prabhu. He is from Mumbai and he is serving Gopal Fun School. Gopal Fun School is one of the most popular school of our SCON. So we are very fortunate. Today we are going to take a shelter of His Grace Gopal Lila Prabhu. Thank you so much, Prabhu ji.
Thank you so much, Mataji. Thank you so much for all your kind words. I am just trying to juggle between my laptop, which I will not able to screen share, but just I wanted to take a help of my notes as well. Okay, great. Thank you so much, children, for joining this class. And I see you are very much enthusiastically awaiting for these different historical stories. And before that, we'll start with our prayers. If you can repeat at your end, I'll not able to hear you, but we will pray together. All right. नमा ओम विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधार श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा. All right, before we start, we will do this small poem. This is for Sharda Mata. तो किनको पता है शारदा मतलब शारदा माता मतलब कौन माता, कौन सी माता? कैन एनीवन टेल मी ऑन द चैट बॉक्स हु इज शारदा माता? You don't have to raise your hand, you have to put. Okay, Isha, thank you, wonderful. Yes, Kartikeya, you got it right. Amlan, Reyes, Siddhansh, thank you. Nidish, Pritika, wonderful. Yes, it is goddess of study, which is Saraswati Ma. Thank you so much. Wonderful answers. All right, what I'm going to do is now I'm going to sing this song and you have to repeat after me. You have to repeat at your end. I'll not able to hear you, but we will do that together. Is that okay? So I am going to sing first, and you have to sing the same line at your end. Is that okay? Are you with me? Can you just give me thumbs up on your chat box? Are you with me? You got my point? I will sing. Yes, I will sing perfect. Okay, great. Thank you, Vishwajit. Thank you, Isha. Thank you, Kartik. Satya Prakash, Abhinav. Thank you. Wonderful. Okay, let's start. He Sharade Ma, He Sharade Ma, He Sharade Ma. अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ, ज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ. हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ. तू स्वर की देवी है संगीत तुझसे, तू स्वर की देवी है संगीत तुझसे. हर शब्द तेरा, हर गीत तुझसे.
हर शब्द तेरा है, हर गीत तुझसे.
हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे,
हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे.
तेरी शरण में हमें प्यार दे माँ,
तेरी शरण में हमें प्यार दे माँ.
हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ.
हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ.
मुनियों ने समझी, गुनियों ने जानी,
मुनियों ने समझी, गुनियों ने जानी.
वेदों की भाषा, पुराणों की बानी,
वेदों की भाषा, पुराणों की बानी.
हम भी तो समझे, हम भी तो जाने,
हम भी तो समझे, हम भी तो जाने.
विद्या का हमको अधिकार दे माँ,
विद्या का हमको अधिकार दे माँ.
हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ.
हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ.
तू श्वेत वर्णी कमल पे विराजे,
तू श्वेत वर्णी कमल पे विराजे.
हाथों में बीना मुकुट सर पे साजे,
हाथों में वीणा मुकुट सर पे साजे.
मन से हमारे मिटा दे अंधेरा,
मन से हमारे
मन से
मिटा दे अंधेरे.
हमको उजालों का संसार दे माँ,
हमको उजालों का संसार दे माँ.
हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ.
हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ.
अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ,
अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ.
शारदा माता की जय.
जय.
Okay, thank you so much, all the children. So we are praying to Saraswati Devi to help us in our to give us intelligence to solve these different puzzles, mental puzzles, and mystery stories. Okay, are you ready for the first puzzle? If yes, show me the thumbs up in your chat box. Okay, great. Vishwajit, Kavya, Nidish, Greshma, Abhinav, Varnika, Karthik, wonderful. Krishna, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, great. Let's start with the first puzzle. So the puzzle is here. So this is very important day. So make sure you have a pen and paper handy with you, just so that if anything is there, if you want to make a note of it. Okay. All right. So let's start with the first puzzle. The first puzzle is so this is very important day. This is a school, and the most important day is the inspection day. So generally you might be having an inspection day where a education minister inspector comes in and he checks the performance of the school and the teacher. वो स्कूल में आते हैं, परफॉर्मेंस चेक करते हैं, स्कूल का कैसा परफॉर्मेंस है, बच्चों का कैसा परफॉर्मेंस है, टीचर्स का कैसा परफॉर्मेंस है. ठीक है. तो फिर वो so the inspector comes in this particular class and he is asking different questions on history, geography, in maths, science, and a weird situation he saw that for each and every question all the children are raising their hand. All the children are raising hand. Any question, any damn question you ask, they will be raising their hand. तो कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछा, सब बच्चे हाथ ऊपर कर रहे. सो ये इंस्पेक्टर को कुछ समझा नहीं, हर एक क्वेश्चन और हर एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर दे रहे बच्चे. सो नाउ यू हैव टू थिंक एंड टेल मी why the children are raising their hand for all the question and how they are able to answer all the questions. So here, let me tell you a note. The inspector is meeting and coming in this class for the first time and he has never met the teacher. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि टीचर ने वो इंस्पेक्टर ने सब क्वेश्चन टीचर को बताया और टीचर ने सब क्वेश्चन बच्चों को बता दिया पहले से. ऐसा नहीं है. There is some logic behind. So the clue is, let me see if anybody has answered. Okay, so I have not seen any answers. Now what you need to do is, I am just giving a clue. Okay, Satya Prakash. Okay, anything else? I want what is the logic behind why they are. So the hint is just see the picture carefully and then you will get the answer, what the answer is all about. Okay. No, apple is not the answer. No, not to ask teacher, it is not a book. Even the book about fruits, they are cheating. No, they are not cheating. They are not cheating. There is a logic behind this. So you need to think. Legs, no. No, they are all well educated, but still not each and every answer can be answered by everyone. No, nothing in stopwatch. No, the girl was not cheating from behind. No, it's not the correct answer. There are few who have answered correctly, but I'm not purposely taking their names because everybody has to think. Here the option, somehow the option we are not getting that the option needs to be they have to just share all the answers to the host. No, it is not present. Just see the picture carefully and you will see there is some logic behind all the children. Okay, there are few students who have answered correctly, but I'm not taking their names. Let everybody think. And there are books behind on the desk. No, they ate fruits. So even though if they have eaten fruits, but still they will not able to answer all the questions. तो ये बुक खुला भी रहा तो भी they will not able to answer सब questions. उनको answer नहीं पता होंगे. So few of them who have answered correctly, let me take their names. Sirvir have answered correctly. Then we have Yashwant, then Lakshita, then we have Satya Prakash, and Aradhya, Nidhish. Okay, perfect. So most of them, these children, they have answered correctly. The answer here is before the inspector he came inside the class, there was a logic which was developed between a teacher and a student. So teacher said that for each question you have to keep raising your hand. Okay, but you have to raise your hand in such a fashion that if it is right hand, then you know the answer, and if it is left hand, you don't know the answer. So if you are raising your right hand, I will ensure that I will be asking answers to you, and in that way, in that fashion, all the children who are raising their right hand, they get the answers. And in that fashion, the inspector was taken aback in terms of how all the children, कैसे ये सब पूरे बच्चे कैसे हाथ ऊपर कर रहे. Okay, great. Did you like this? I would like to understand from all of you. Are you, yeah, did you like this puzzle? Did you like this mystery story? If yes, just say yes or thumbs up. Do you like to have some more in this way? Okay, great. Wonderful. Thank you so much. So let's go to the second puzzle. Okay, great. So there are some mystery cases, because generally these mystery cases are more of a robbery and more of killing and murder type of a. Please translate. Okay, perfect. मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में भी बात करूंगा इसमें. So here in this situation, there are two friends, मीता और गीता. ये दोनों जन वाटरमेलन जूस पीने जाते हैं गोविंदास में, or any hotel they go. Okay, it's not Govinda's, they're going in some other hotel and they are having watermelon juice. गीता और मीता और दोनों ने सेम जूस ऑर्डर किया, वाटरमेलन जूस. ठीक है, पर गीता drank 5 glasses of watermelon juice, and in that same time Meeta drank only one glass of watermelon juice. After drinking the juice, Meeta died, but Geeta didn't. How this is possible? Can you think how, in what fashion? Because this was poisoned, the watermelon was poisoned, the juice was poisoned. Okay, can you repeat? Okay, let me just tell that again. What is here the question is, गीता और मीता ये दो फ्रेंड्स थे और ये दोनों जन जूस सेंटर में जाते हैं और वाटरमेलन जूस मंगाते हैं, and all of them they had what they had. They kept inside. They kept all the watermelon juice. He drank. मीता और गीता दोनों जन पीते हैं. गीता पीती है और मीता सिर्फ एक पीती है. और उसी टाइम में ये कितनी पीती है? गीता पीती है 5 ग्लासेस पीती है, पर मीता एक ही ग्लास पीती है. मीता मर जाती है पर गीता जिंदा रहती है. हाउ दिस इज पॉसिबल? कैन एनीवन टेल मी? Yeah, most of the answers are correct here. Yes, because the ice cubes, they were poisoned and not the juice. Okay, तो जूस पी लिया, पर उसी टाइम में एक पूरा जूस पीने तक पूरे आइस पूरा मेल्ट हो गया. किसका? मीता का. इसीलिए मीता डाइड बट गीता was still there. Okay, wonderful. Thank you everyone. Children, you are answering it correctly. So all of them. So please, my request, humble request to all of you, be honest to yourself. Don't look into the chat and think what the answer might be and then put that on the chat. So don't go on the chat and see the answers where others are answering. Okay, first you think of what might be the answer. All right, are we good on this? Are we good on this? Should we go for the next one? If yes, give me thumbs up. Oh yes, thank you Nidesh, thank you Aman, thank you Chinmay, Pratika, Kanish, Satyaprakash, Abhinav, Kavya, thank you. Moksh, Pranjal, Mansi, Shanvi, thank you so much. Vishwajit, thank you. Wonderful. Let's go to the next one. Okay, great. So this is a Japanese ship, all right, and this was leaving the port. वो सी शोर छोड़ के अंदर सी में जाने वाली थी, और उसका जो कैप्टन था, वो कैप्टन उसने पूरा ऑयलिंग चेक करने के लिए गया, और उसके हाथ में एक रिंग था, सोने की अंगूठी थी. एंड देन ही जस्ट थॉट ऑफ ये खराब हो जाएगी जब मैं ऑयलिंग करूंगा, तो उसको मैं निकाल के ये सामने रखी हुई है, टेबल के सामने रखी थी, और वो ऑयलिंग चेक करने गया. एंड बाय द टाइम ही कम्स बैक, 10 मिनट के अंदर वो वापस आता है और वो सोने की रिंग गायब हो जाती है. सो ही हैड doubt on 3 different people. Okay, here the first one was the cook. तो कुक को पूछा गया तो वो बोल रहा था तो मैं कुकिंग कर रहा था, डिनर के लिए तैयारी कर रहा था. ठीक है. और फिर दूसरा था, वो था इंजीनियर. तो वो इंजीनियर बोल रहा था तो मैं सब शिप का सब देख रेख करने गया था, सब अच्छे से सेल होगा क्या नहीं, सब मशीन्स चेक कर रहा था प्रॉपरली है क्या नहीं. ओके, Pritika is saying, can you repeat? Yeah, just make down some small points. Make sure you are hearing it carefully. Okay, otherwise it would will not able to cover maximum portion. Okay, please tell in English fully. Okay. So I will try to say both in English and Hindi. Okay, first is this was a Japanese ship and it was about to go. Okay, first what I will do is I will speak in English. Let me just tell you, let me make one rule, because to cover maximum portion, and maximum portion means basically we will do maximum puzzles. I will say only once, that is a little louder. My voice is not audible to Am I audible to everyone properly?
Yes, Prabhuji, your voice is definitely
Okay,
clear.
perfect.
Yes.
So my rule now is I will be telling only once in English and one time in Hindi. That's it. So I'm not going to repeat any of the puzzle second time. So make sure you are hearing it carefully. Okay, great. Thank you. The first, I am going to speak in English first and then in Hindi. So this Japanese ship, it was about to go inside the sea. It was leaving the port, and the captain of the ship, he went to check the oils. Okay, how the oil is there, whether it is sufficient oil is there or not. So before that, before going to check the, my request to everyone is to not chat unnecessary. Immediately you are giving the answer, it is engineer. No, you need to first, please, my request to all of you, when I'm speaking, do not chat. Okay, or request Mataji and Prabhuji, when I'm speaking, let's disable the chat for everyone. Okay, once the question is done, let them
Okay, Prabhuji.
okay, perfect, thank you. Okay, so now the question is, this was a Japanese ship and it was about to go in the sea. The oil, the captain of the person, captain of the ship is going to the different parts to check the oil. And then he saw, before going that, he removed his ring, golden ring, which was costing 1 crore rupees. With diamonds were there in that, on the gold ring. And then he went and he checked the oil, and by the time he came back, within 10 minutes the ring was gone. So he had doubt on three different people. The first one was cook. When it was checked with him, he said that I was cooking for the dinner. The second one was the person engineer, who said that I was checking the different systems, different machines, whether it is properly there, and whether it is will have no problems during the sailing. And the third person was a seaman, and he said that I was on the top of the ship just to adjust the flag of the flag, because it was put upside down. Then immediately the person, the captain, came to know who that the person is, and he immediately caught hold of him. So now you have to think who that person might be, and the reason also. So you need to just, don't give me the answer as cook or engineer or the seaman. I want with the answer with the why do you think it is a cook, or why do you think it is engineer, or why do you think it is a seaman? Okay, Mataji, can you please open the chat, please? And okay, no, before that, let me just tell the same thing in Hindi as well. ओके दिस ये जापानीज का शिप था, वो जा रहा था, अंदर जा रहा था, और वो कैप्टन था। कैप्टन आया, उसका गोल्ड रिंग था, उसने निकाल के रख दिया टेबल में। ऑयलिंग चेक करने गया, ऑयलिंग चेक करते वापस आया तो गोल्ड रिंग गायब था। उसके पास 3 जन थे, 3 जन को पूछा। कुक था, कुक को बोला था, वो कुक बोल रहा था मैं डिनर बना रहा था। इंजीनियर को पूछा तो इंजीनियर बोल रहा था मैं सिस्टम्स और सब मशीन चेक कर रहा था। और तीसरा सीमैन को पूछा तो सीमैन बोल रहा था मैं ऊपर फ्लैग बराबर से लगाया नहीं था, तो उसको बराबर से लगा रहा था मैं। फ्लैग उल्टा लगाया था तो फ्लैग मैं सीधा कर रहा था। सो नाउ यू हैव टू टेल मी। और उसने तुरंत पकड़ लिया कौन गलत बोल रहा है, कौन झूठ बोल रहा है, और उसको पकड़ लिया। तो नाउ यू हैव टू थिंक एंड टेल मी कौन गलत है, और उसके साथ उसका रीजन भी बताना है। Just don't tell me cook or engineer or a seaman. You have to give me with the reason. Okay, now Mataji, can you please open the chat?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay, great. Think and give me the answer, please. Kanish, Shania, they are saying seaman, but I want the reason as well. If it is cook, give me the reason. If it is engineer, give me the reason. engineer, seaman, seaman, cook. Okay, yeah, cook dinner. The okay. Acha, my honest request to all of you, nobody has to go on the Google and check the answers. You have to be honest to yourself, think and tell me the answer, okay? Kanish got it right. Tablet, I don't know who this person is. It is named as Fire Tablet, is right. Pranjal is right. Kartika is right. Mansi, Satya Prakash, Lakshita, Abhinav. Okay, great going. Thank you so much. Most of them they have answered it correctly. The answer is here the seaman because uh, the the flag of Japan, even though if you put upside down, it will look as it is because you can see how the flag is of Japan. It is just a circle in between, the red dot in between, and it is just a white border from. It's kind of a white square, and in between there's a red dot. So if you put upside down, it's still the same. So answer is correct. It is seaman. Okay, great going. Let's move to the next one. Okay, perfect. So this here in this incident, there was one lady who went to a five-star hotel and she ordered for a tea, and a tea was got, and when she saw the tea, there was a fly inside that tea. So she shouted on the waitress that, "Is this the way you serve the tea? Please get me a new one." So immediately she left and she got the new one. When she saw the new cup, in that the tea was there, uh, she drank again one sip and she again shouted that, "You got me the same tea again?" How this is possible? How she was able to identify that it was the same tea in which that fly was fallen? So let me repeat in Hindi. एक लड़की थी, एक महिला थी जो 5 स्टार होटल में गई, उसने चाय ऑर्डर किया, चाय ऑर्डर करने के बाद चाय आई, उसने चाय में देखा, चाय बनाई, उसने चाय में देखा कि मक्खी गिरी हुई थी, उसमें मक्खी गिरी हुई थी, तो उसने बताया कि ये क्या ऐसा सर्व करते हैं, जाओ मुझे दूसरा चाय लेके आओ। उसने दूसरा चाय लेके आई और उसने एक सिप पिया और उसको पता चला कि वही चाय है वो कैसे पॉसिबल है? कैन एवरीबॉडी थिंक एंड टेल मी हाउ दिस इज पॉसिबल? कैन यू प्लीज ओपन द चैट, माता जी?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Uh, okay. Both of you are close. Can you just think? Uh, no, it is not. It is same taste, but it is close. You are quite close. What that answer might be? Not because of the class, not because of the cup. It was a different cup. Uh, yeah, she just removed the smell, not by the smell. Couple of them they have answered correctly, but I'm not telling their names. Not the tea is cold. Mm, how did she identified lipstick? Oh, okay, that's a good one. Okay, anything else? This is again a new answer which I got it. This might be a possible. No, but lipstick cannot be because it was a different cup. No, it was a different cup. So lipstick it can't be. Okay, couple of them they have answered correctly. You need to check what I'm not going to take their names. If what I'm saying is correct, just imagine, just understand that your answer was also correct. So the answer was previously when the tea had come. So in five-star hotel, it is not the tea is already made it. So generally they give sugar separately, tea separately, and she had prepared that tea with the sugar. She had already added the sugar. Perfect. And now when the same the tea had the she got the tea, it was already the sugar was already added in that. Okay, perfect. Everyone got the answer? Everyone is clear? If yes, just before we go to the next one, can you say yes or thumbs up? You got all the answers. Uh, any questions? Perfect. Great. Wonderful. Thank you, Mokshe, Daksh, Shubh, Chinmay. If you have any question, can you please put that on the chat box, please? Thank you, Lakshmi Priya. Thank you, Akshay. Wonderful. Okay, should we move to the next one? Thank you, Pavitra. Okay, great. Let's move to the next one. Zoom this photo which is there on your screen and tell me who is the superhero in this photo. Who is the superhero in this photo? Now you have to tell me in the chat box, uh, gray pant, orange shirt, or red color frock lady, or red and black color man, or orange and black color skirt girl, something like that, so that I'll identify who is the superhero. Can you please open the chat box, Mataji? Enable the chat box.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah. It's not red shirt, not man, not orange shirt boy, yellow man. No, not exactly. Uh, not not all black. Okay, some of them they got it right. Yes, it is not the person who is holding the briefcase. It's not the woman. It's not the red color frock wali lady. Okay, it's the person, a statue, a golden color statue, which is there way behind. Uh, just see carefully in the brown building. He's holding something. So he is the superhero. Wonderful. Thank you for identifying that, Mataji. Okay, great. Uh, should we move to the next one? Are you ready for the next one? Are you excited? Are you loving this quiz? Okay, as of date, which one was your favorite story or favorite mystery story? Which one? Which one? Okay, the first one. Okay, thank you, Grishma. The tea story, ring wala. Okay, Japan. First one. Thank you. First one. Wonderful. Flag. Thank you. Ring, Japan. Okay, wonderful. Thank you so much. Okay, great. Let's move to the next one. Okay, in this case, this was an old man who was living in this house, and one Friday during summer time, during the afternoon time, the mailman came inside, came near the door, and he was shouting, please open the door, please open the door. But there was no response, and he saw from the window that the old man, he was dead, lying on the floor. Okay, and then what happened is the mailman, uh, he informed the policeman, and the policeman came, and he saw that there was a newspaper which is of Tuesday, and there were 3 milk bottles, which was two were hot and one was cold, and even there was a gardener who was coming, and there were all the grasses were cleaned properly. Okay, after going through all of them, immediately the next day, policeman caught hold of the person who has killed the man, the old man. Now you have to think and tell me who that person might be. Okay, now I am going to share the same thing in Hindi. एक बूढ़ा आदमी इस घर में रहता था, और शुक्रवार के धूप आफ्टरनून के टाइम पे वो आया, मेलमैन आया जो ये बांटते पेपर, न्यूज़पेपर बांटते हैं, वो आया और देखा कि उनको बुला रहा था ये मैन को जो अंदर बैठा है। तो उसने बहुत नॉक किया पर कुछ आया नहीं, कोई आया नहीं बाहर से। उसमें विंडो से देखा तो वो आदमी मर गया था, और फिर उसने पुलिस को इन्फॉर्म किया कि ये आदमी मर गया है। और आदमी जो पुलिस आके देखते हैं कि इधर 3 बॉटल है, मिल्क के बॉटल्स है, और न्यूज़पेपर है ट्यूसडे का, और गार्डनर भी जो था वो गार्डनिंग पूरा ग्रास भी कट करके गया है। पर पुलिसमैन को तुरंत पता चल गया कौन वो आदमी होगा, और दूसरे दिन उसने बराबर उनको पकड़ लिया। तो आपको सबको सोचना है और बताना है कौन वो आदमी हो सकता है जिसने इस आदमी का खून किया है? Can everyone think and let me know who might be the person who have I need to know the answer with the uh, details in terms of why do you feel that no, I'm not going to repeat in English because I had informed the the rules that I'm going to just share once. You have to listen it carefully. Okay. Now, आप मिल्कमैन बोल रहे हो, गार्डनर बोल रहे हो, नहीं तो जो मेल मैन है, न्यूज़पेपर वाला मैन बोलो, उसके साथ मुझे रीजन चाहिए. Because I am getting all the answers. I'm getting milkman. I'm getting. Uh, so what is the milkman two hot and one cold? What is the logic behind that? Why gardener? Because he had scissors. No, it is not milkman. Okay, let me just go through the chat carefully and let me see who have answered it correctly. It's not gardener because he's holding the tools. No, it's not milkman. Milkman has kept. Mm, no, the logic is incorrect. Okay, I don't know the name here. It is mentioned as Redmi. So I think so only Redmi has given the proper answer. It is Sharanya. Okay. So it is only the newspaper man because he knew that now no one is going to read this newspaper. So he had just kept till Tuesday. And Tuesday he had killed, and then hence Wednesday and Thursday he had not given any newspaper. So it is newspaper person. Okay, good to go. तो इसमें ये न्यूज़पेपर वाला जो आदमी है उसने खून किया था बिकॉज उसको पता था कि सो उनको न्यूज़पेपर वाले ने उसने सिर्फ ट्यूसडे का रखा था तो वेडनेसडे थर्सडे फ्राइडे का रखा ही नहीं था. ओके, आर वी गुड? Thank you, Daksh. You might have said, but as I mentioned earlier itself, it is humanly impossible to go through all the chat and identify who has given correct answer. So, as I mentioned earlier as well, if the answer is correct, so understand that your answer is also correct. Okay, great. Thank you. All right. Should we move to the next one? Are you excited? Okay, great. Thank you. Okay, wonderful. Thank you so much. Let's move to the next one. Okay. Now here in this case, sorry to take all these stories which are all of kind of robbery and murder type of stories, but I just felt that to have little fun with all the children because we have different stories as well. But generally, this age group, which is from 9 to 14 per se, they love to have some kind of adventure, some kind of mystery stories. So, thought of taking this. So, we probably next time we can take some inspirational stories as well, Vedic stories, and which is inspirational as well as which will give some kind of uh, some kind of lessons as well. So thank you. Let me. Okay. So moving to the next one, here in this case, this person is a serial killer, and what he does is he gives two pills. You can see the pills are there on the table, which is blue and red, and every time anyone who is the person who is next to him, he says that you have to eat this pill. Anyone he takes in, the other person dies, and the remaining one he is taking, the serial killer. And every time what happens is the other person dies and the serial killer is still alive. What might be possible? How this is possible? Because the pills are poisonous, but here only the other person is getting killed, and the serial killer is not. So let me repeat the same thing in Hindi. एक सीरियल किलर था जो सबको मारता था, जो जिसको भी लेके आता था तो उसका एक ही हथियार था, उसके सामने दो गोलियां लगता था और वो बोलता कोई भी गोली चूज करो। कोई भी गोली चूज करता था वो आदमी मर जाता था। दूसरा, पहला वो एक गोली लेता था, वो खा लेता था, नहीं तो कोई भी दो गोली ले रखा है उसको चांस देते थे, जो भी चूज करना है। दोनों जन एक साथ खाते थे, वो मर जाता था और ये सीरियल किलर बच जाता था। ये कैसे पॉसिबल है? नाउ यू हैव टू थिंक एंड टेल मी व्हाट माइट बी द आंसर। ये ऐसे कैसे होता था? दोनों पॉइजनस है, पर कैसे ये हो सकता था? ये सीरियल किलर हमेशा क्यों बचता था? Now you have to think and please give me the answers on the chat. Is the chat enabled? No, it's not. Red pillar is. Okay, most of them they have answered it correctly. It is the poison is not in the pill, but it is something in water or something on the glass. Yeah, because the glass had the poison, and whenever you used to take that, water is poisonous, or the glass is poisonous, or the poison was kept on the glass. Thank you, everyone. Wonderful. Okay, great going. Should we move to the next one? Okay, great. Should we do something riddle type of rather than doing so much of murder cases? Let me just ask you some riddles apart from what is going on. So let me ask you some couple of riddles verbally. Okay, make a point that you think and give me the answers. Okay, let me ask you a few of them. Okay, now tell me, a cup and 3 spoons, what it is? A cup and 3 spoons. Please enable the chat, please. A cup and the 3 spoons. Very easy. Think. एक कप है और 3 स्पून है उसके अंदर, क्या हो सकता है ये? Yes, most of them it got it right. It is fan. Fan. Yes. Ceiling fan. Wonderful. Okay, let me just ask one more bit tricky. Which tree can we eat? Which tree can we eat? Which tree can we eat? Not banana, not sugar cane. Tulsi. Yes, all of these answers are correct. Tulsi, sugar cane. But I am looking for something which is broccoli. Yes, yes. Yeah, couple of them they have answered correctly. Yes, it is pastry. Pastry is a tree which we can eat. Thank you. Thank you, Daksh. Okay. Okay, wonderful. Thank you, Avni. All right, let's move to the next one. One more verbal one. What is yours but other people use it? What is yours but other people use it? What is yours but other people use it? Thank you, Abhinav. Thank you, Pooja, Imesh, Shrivar. Yes, it's name. Pranjal, thank you. Wonderful. So it is name. It is yours, but other people use it. Wonderful. Great going. Let's move to the next one, Mataji. In the interest of time, should we move to the maths puzzle, because there are a few more mystery stories. Rather than doing this, can we do the maths puzzle? Okay, is it possible to do it quickly? Shift to the maths puzzle. Is the PPT ready?
Yes, Roji, I'll put that up now.
Okay, great.
उनका
Okay, in the meantime, Prabhuji is putting that on the screen. Let me ask you some more riddles, some more one-liner riddles. So tell me, hear it carefully. Mary's father have 5 daughters. Mary's father has 5 daughters. Nana, Nene, Nini, Nono. What is the name of the 5th daughter? What is the name of the 5th daughter? Okay, most of them got it right. You are so wonderful. You are so intelligent, so quick. It's Mary. Yes, perfect. So the 4 daughters are Nana, Nene, Nini, or Nono, and the 5th one is Mary. Thank you. Mary's father has 5 daughters. Okay, quick one. What room do ghosts avoid? What room do ghosts avoid? What room? What room? Not puja room, not sunlight, not temple. What room does definitely it avoid temple and light room? There is one very much similar answer, but you need to think of which room. I'm talking about room. Which room? Which room do ghosts avoid? Not exactly. It is not mushroom, not bedroom. Oh yeah, Nitish got it right. It is living room. Because they are ghosts, they will not be part of living room. Thank you. You got the connection why it is living room? Because they are ghosts. That's why they avoid living room. Okay, great. Great going. Thank you so much. Uh, it was very, I was very happy to see all of your answers. Great going, and to see wonderful answers from all of you. Thank you so much. Let's move to the second part, which is Q Math Adventure Maths. So before we start, uh, do you like maths? It is not your normal maths, it is mental maths. So it is really going to help you think. And okay, thank you, Avni. Thank you, Venkat. Thank you, Shrivar. Thank you, Greshma, Daksh, Sharanya. Thank you so much. All right, let's move to the first puzzle. Okay, now you have to tell me, read carefully. If watch is mobile, mobile is laptop, laptop is called television, then which gadget is called to make a voice call? Now you have to tell me the answer here. What is the correct answer here? If watch is mobile, mobile is laptop, laptop is called television, then which gadget is used to call a make a voice call? A watch, B mobile, C laptop, or D television? Okay, just don't tell me the answer. You have to tell me the reason as well. Why do you think it is mobile? Why do you think it is television? Why do you think it is laptop? Or why do you think it is watch? Perfect, Shri Rushika. It is because mobile is called laptop. Hence, the answer is laptop. Thank you. Okay, laptop is called mobile. Wonderful. Okay, let's move to the next one. The table shows the number of the plants planted by few students. Suma 30 tens and 2 ones. Ram is 2 ones and 5 tens. John is 12 tens and 4 ones. Mike is 10 ones and 2 tens. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Suma planted the maximum number of plants. Ram planted more than 50 plants. John planted more than 200 plants. Mike planted less than 40 plants. You have to give me reason as well. Tell me the reason why, if it is A, B, C, or D. Why do you think it is incorrect? So answer is C. John planted more than 200 plants. Here John planted only 12 tens and 4 ones. So 12 tens is 120, 4 ones is 4. So that is 124. Okay. So that is incorrect. Rest of them, they are correct sentence. You can go through it. Suma planted maximum plants, number of plants, yes, because 30 tens and 2 ones is 302. Then next one, Ram planted more than 50 plants. Yes, 5 tens and 2 ones, it is 52. That's a correct statement. And Mike planted less than 40 plants because he planted 30 plants. So that is also correct. So the answer is only C. All right. Are we good? Are we good? Okay. Wonderful. Let's go to the next one. Okay, the puzzle here is find the values of A and B respectively. AA plus BA is A8. So what might be the answer? A 40, B 64, C 60, or D 46? Think. Don't give me immediate answer. Think carefully and give me the answer. And why do you think that? Just you have to explain me as well. Wonderful, Karthike. Thank you. 44 plus 04 equal to 48. Wonderful. The first option, which is A, 40. 44, A is replaced by 4. 44 plus BA, B is replaced by 0, it is plus 04 is equal to 48 is the answer. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Let's move to the next one. All right. The next one is all right. Navneet starts his football practice on 3rd of August 2016. He practiced for 16 days, excluding Sundays. On which day did he finish his practice? Think and then give me the answer. Navneet starts his football practice on 3rd of August 2016. He practiced for 16 days, excluding Sundays. On which date did he finish his practice? Excluding मतलब उसको वो छोड़ के. So 3rd, you have to give me the reason as well. So the answer is Saturday 20, because if you start on 3rd and if you exclude all Sundays, you would be excluding 2 Sundays, 7 and 14, and the answer would be Saturday, which is Saturday. C is the answer. C is the correct answer. If you count, 3rd is the Wednesday, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, which is 4 plus 6, 10, and 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, which is plus 6, which is 16 day, which is on 20th. Going great. We have, I need to join one more session, which I am having right now at 5:30. So probably we may take the last question, and then if we have any question, we will end, and then we would again meet next week. I will just have a chat with Mataji and Prabhuji, and I'll see if I have time. I would take one more. Okay. I understand that you are enjoying, but we have to stop because it's already 5:20. There one more puzzle. Can we go and take the next one, please? Okay. Deepa writes a series of number in a certain pattern. A drop of ink is fell on one of the number. Can you identify that number? 112, 132, 152. What might be the next number? And why do you say that? Why do you say that? Whatever answers you are giving, you're okay, perfect. So it's a sequence, a difference of 20, 112, plus 20 is 132, plus 20 is 152, plus 20 is 172, plus 20 is 192. So correct answer is 172 is the correct answer. Okay, going great. Sorry, I may have to end little early, given that I have 5:30 the another session which is going to start. Thank you so much for joining, and I will definitely try to have one more session. Can everyone share me how did you find this session on the chat box, please?
So I request all of you to please message in the chat, say expressing how you like.
Okay, great, super interesting, very nice, wonderful. Thank you so much. The class was awesome. We loved it. It was interesting. Okay, which one you like the most? The stories or the maths? Puzzle, maths and stories, both. Okay, wonderful, great going. We have more such puzzles, but because of the limitation of time, we are not able to proceed further. But definitely, if time permits, I will have one more session with all of you. Thank you so much. Over to you, Mataji and Prabhuji.
Thank you so much, Prabhuji. So we all would like to thank Prabhuji for his very precious time. We already know he's involved with so many activities currently due to the online sessions going around, and he has to take another session just after this now at 5:30. But still, he agreed to take this session, and he will definitely try or another session for all of you, as all of you enjoyed so much. So we'll request him again to give us some time in the camp, or even after the camp we will arrange some session, so all of you can chat and say. I will unmute all of you. You can express thank you to him as well, verbal expression.
Hare
Prabhuji, it was very good.
very fun and very interesting. Thank you. Very fun and interesting.
Most welcome. Thank you so much.
It was very nice, Prabhuji. Very nice, Hare Krishna. Also very nice and interesting. Prabhuji, the class was so awesome.
Much, bachas, really love to be with the children. I would be more interested to come in person because these are a couple of things. But I love to play with all the children. I know few outdoor games, so I would be very happy to teach you few of them. So great, thank you so much. Wonderful. Nice talking with all of you. Thank you, Mataji, Praneshwari Mataji, and Prabhuji. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Prabhuji, for everything. We are really speechless. Thank you so much. Please accept our humble obeisances.
Hare Krishna, Dandvat Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hari Bol. Thank you.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhuji. Okay, so
Thank
now
you.
we have a small announcement for tomorrow's session. Tomorrow we have a activity session, which is yoga. We are going to have some yoga session tomorrow for all of you to be how to be fit at home. Rather going outside, you can do yoga at home and be fit as well. Some announcement for that. कुछ announcements है कल के लिए, क्योंकि कल योगा सेशन है, तो आप सभी को बताना चाहेंगे, स्पेशली पेरेंट्स को और बच्चों को भी, कि ये प्रिपरेशंस या ये पॉइंट्स आप ध्यान में रखिए कल के सेशन के लिए. So tomorrow, when the yoga session will start, before the yoga session, you should not have eaten anything, especially 45 minutes before. You should not eat anything. So whatever you want to eat, better eat before like 1 hour or 2 hours before the session, because you will be asked to do some session, follow the instructor tomorrow. So आपको बोला जाएगा, बताया जाएगा कि ये follow करना है योगा आसन. तो आप खाली पेट रहिएगा. सेशन के पहले 1 घंटे पहले या 2 घंटे पहले ही खा लेना अपना लंच या जो भी आप स्नैक्स खाना चाहें. और इवन आफ्टर द सेशन एटलीस्ट 15 to 45 मिनट्स रुक के ही आप 15 मिनट्स बाद आप कुछ हल्का खा सकते हैं, या 45 मिनट्स यू कैन ईट प्रॉपर थिंग. वेयर काइंड ऑफ योगा clothes like loose or yoga clothes are there specially, so you can follow them. And then don't wear any glasses or contact lenses when you are doing yoga. It might break or hurt you. And if you have, better use a yoga mat when you want to do, and do yoga in the ventilated room. Okay, so these are the main things you want to follow. If you are feeling any pain or anything, then you should stop. We will announce that tomorrow also, but main thing is you should be empty stomach if you are going to do the yoga as per the instructor tomorrow. Okay, so if you have any question, please message us. Okay, I'll unmute you all. तो आपको कोई question है, हम unmute कर रहे हैं, आप बोल सकते हैं.
No questions. Prabhuji, are you giving the quiz today?
Yes, we will give you some quiz based on this. Whatever we didn't cover today.
Prabhuji. Prabhuji, should we get a mat before the yoga? Thank you, Prabhuji and Mata.
Hare Krishna, sorry to mute all of you again. Just one thing, whatever quiz or measles we didn't cover today, like some of them we will send you as a task. Like every day we send you quiz after the session. So we will send you that as a task, homework task. You can do that on after the session, like we send you the quiz. So हम आपको भेजेंगे वो जो quiz हम नहीं ले पाए और puzzle नहीं लिए, हम आपको भेजेंगे. So okay, so you have to do that as a your daily task. Yoga mat, if you have, you can use that. If you don't have, it is okay also. Okay, try to use some cushion otherwise. A small kind of a thin cushion.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji and Mataji. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji and Mataji. Thank you for the lesson. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji, Mataji. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji or Mataji.
Hare Krishna, everyone. See you tomorrow. Hope you enjoy a lot today.
Thank you, Mataji and Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
सबको मजा आया?
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji and Mataji. Yes. Hare Krishna.
Okay,
Hare
so
Krishna Mataji.
take care.
Hare Krishna Mataji and Prabhuji. Thank you for the lesson. We enjoyed a lot.
Thank you. See you tomorrow, all of you. Bye.
Bye. Bye.